Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the compelling and visionary book of Micah, chapters 1 through 4. This part of Micah, a prophetic book from the Old Testament, is often overshadowed. Yet its messages are as relevant today as they were in ancient times. Micah was a prophet from Moresheth, speaking to the people of Judah around the 8th century BC. He was a contemporary of Isaiah and focused on themes of justice, judgment, and restoration. In chapter 1, Micah begins with a dramatic scene, calling the nations to witness as the Lord pronounces judgment on Samaria and Jerusalem for their transgressions.
Specifically, verse 6 boldly speaks of Samaria's destruction. Therefore, I will make Samaria a heap of rubble, a place for planting vineyards. It highlights the gravity of abandoning divine laws. Chapter 2 continues with the condemnation of those who exploit the vulnerable.
Verse 2 captures this. They covet fields and seize them, and houses and take them. Here, Micah highlights injustice, especially towards the powerless, something still disconcertingly familiar today. In chapter 3, Micah directs his prophetic voice at the leaders, accusing them of perverting justice. Verse 11 delivers a stark rebuke. Her leaders judge for a bribe, her priests teach for a price, and her prophets tell fortunes for money. This chapter is a call for integrity and righteous leadership. Now, we move to the hopeful vision in chapter 4. Micah describes a future where peace and justice reign. A key verse here is verse 3. They will beat their swords into plowshares and their spears into pruning hooks. Nation will not take up sword against nation. It's a timeless call for peace and hope for a world united under God's wisdom and justice. It's a timeless call for peace and hope for a world united under God's wisdom and justice. These chapters remind us of the consequences of injustice, while offering a promise of hope and restoration. They compel us to reflect on our personal and community responsibilities. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the profound messages in the book of Micah in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful biblical explorations. Thank you for joining us on this journey today.